Hi, in this video, we will be discussing how to add and manage the handouts. You can upload any kind of files in the handout section in the session or a booth from here. If you click on handouts, this will allow you to upload any required files, brochures, or videos. These are session level handouts. Audience can view them in the handout option from the same place, which is the right panel menu. Next, you need to click on Manage Handouts to upload a new file. The maximum upload size is 100 MB. You can even edit the details of your file from here. You can change the title, you can choose the reference, and now you can also categorize your handout by choosing the options from the drop down menu. Then you may decide if you want to save it or broadcast it. You can also delete it later in case you don't require it. There is an option here to expand the handouts as well using this wide view button. And if you want to go back to the view, you can click on the mini view button. The session level handouts, once viewed or downloaded by the users, also get reflected into the main handout bag on the top, wherein they can email the documents directly to their mailbox. You can also search handouts from the search bar. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like it, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.